watching this video, you will learn how to connect your lab to a manufacturing center and send orders via 3Shape Communicate. Connection to a manufacturer gives you the opportunity to send out your designs to manufacturing centers of choice. You can still scan, design, and produce your orders. However, you can also send it out to third-party manufacturing centers to use its production technologies and experience. This gives you the possibility to extend your portfolio of products and the development of your business. Start with connecting to the manufacturing center of choice. To do that, log into your 3Shape Communicate account and in the Connections tab, add a new connection. Fill in the email address of the chosen manufacturing center and click Find. And then connect. The manufacturing center needs to approve your request now. When the request has been approved, go to Dental System Control Panel and set the manufacturer. In the Site Settings, choose the Manufacturers tab. Then add the manufacturer and its name. It is important to set all contact details. In the 3Shape Communicate tab, set their email address. Now you should save it. Please remember that you have to have all the details set in the This Site tab to be able to send orders to the manufacturer. If it is not done, you'll have to do that just before setting later on. Having it done, go to Manufacturing Processes and add a manufacturing process for it, or assign an existing one. Everything is now set, and you can start working with this manufacturer. In the order form, choose Teeth and Type of Restoration. Now select the manufacturer of choice and its manufacturing process. You can now go ahead with scanning and designing. The Ready to Send step is now added to the workflow bar. Once your design is ready, click Send. Send to Manufacturer will now open with all the case details. If you have previously not set your details in the This Site tab in Control Panel, you will now be informed that you have to do that now before sending to have the window enabled. In the Send to Manufacturer window, you can also set some of the manufacturing information. You can set the version of dental system here that should be used by the manufacturer. The order size can also be set. By default, it is small to make the transfer faster. Scan colors are not transferred, and modeling on the manufacturer side is not possible. Medium will have the scan colors removed. However, remodeling will be possible. Large allows for both color transfer and remodeling. The default position for this option can be changed in Control Panel on the manufacturer page. When you are ready, click Send to have the case transferred to the manufacturer. While the case is being sent, you are informed by the pop-out. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.